Reading practice number 7. Dear Mrs. Washington, for the past 2 years, you have been a regular customer of our department store, and we have appreciated your business very much, period. Our records show that you have purchased major appliances from us on several occasions, and that each time you have paid cash for them. Paragraph. We were wondering, Mrs. Washington, if you would like to open a charge account with our company, period. A charge account offers many conveniences, period. First, you would not have to carry large sums of money with you when you wanted to make a purchase, period. Second, a charge account would allow you to buy almost any large appliances whenever you wanted it, You would not have to wait until you had ready cash, period. Third, one of the charge cards would serve as excellent identification whenever you wanted to cash a check. Paragraph. If you would like to have a charge account with us, just take a moment to fill out and return to us the enclosed application form. Paragraph. We will be looking forward to doing further business with you. We hope to hear from you soon. Period. Sincerely yours, Reading practice number 8. Dear Miss Short, thank you for your letter asking us to open a charge account for you with the Superior Department Store, period. We are glad that you want to do business with our store, and we know that you will be satisfied with our goods, our services, and our way of doing business. Paragraph. Before we can open your account, however, we would like you to fill out the enclosed credit application form and return it to us in the envelope that is also enclosed, period. After we receive the application, we will make a return credit check, period. If everything is satisfactory, comma, we will open an account for you and send you a credit card within a week or so. Paragraph. We look forward to doing business with you, comma, Miss Short, period. Sincerely yours, comma.